to my channel. So today I am going to be telling you guys all about these locks that I have in my hair currently. I'm also going to be inserting clips on how I installed this hair. So throughout the video you'll see different clips just popping up probably here and there, or I don't know how I'm going to edit this. But anyway, this hair I got from Divatress. I think that's how you pronounce the website. Divatress.com. They sent me 5 packs of the Bobby Boss Bay locks, and I saw these in store and on Instagram, and normally most people get the bob length, but I wanted the longer length. And what I love the natural looking locks, the big kind of locks, or the ones these are just really, to me, they give the most natural look. These and like the Bumba locks by Bobby Boss as well. And I like that this also came with the yarn already on my locks. And so in in each pack you get 2 pieces of yarn on the lock. Wait, did I say it right? You get 2 locks with yarn on it, okay? And I counted one pack up and it had 10 pieces of locks in there. Not sure if the rest of the bags were like that, but I used about 3.5 packs of hair. Really, I could have used less. I didn't know that my partings were so small, so I did go back after the video and kind of combined a few of my plaits, because I would have used about 4 or 5 packs if I would have had stayed with that small of a lock as I did. But I feel like I can still take out some. And normally I do wear it in a bun, but today I let it down. This is my second time wearing it down, and I really do like it down. I don't know why I haven't been wearing it down like that. But I really like these. These are very lightweight. The only thing that I don't like about these are that they snag, like, or that they kind of get like stuck together, I guess. Like if I run my hand through it, you can see it, I'm just getting caught. So I'm just kind of constantly, when I am wearing it down, just, you know, taking off little pieces, snatching them off. That's what I don't like. I plaited up my entire head, and actually I did go back and take out some of these plaits and double them up together because it was quite too many for these size locks. And now I'm taking the bay locks and I'm just going to insert them. So always insert your crochet needle going downwards, and then hook the lock onto the crochet hair needle and close it. Then I pull my plait and my crochet hair in through that loop, and then pull it down to secure it. And then after that I am going to insert my crochet hook going upwards, and this is so that I can hide the hair. And I'm just going to do this until all of the hair is hidden. So you guys can I'm not going to speed up the video, and hopefully you guys can see what's really going on. Just replay it a couple of times, but it's very simple and easy. If you use the coupon code NEWDIVA10, you'll receive 10% off of your purchase. I really love these locks. They're very pretty. At first I didn't know how I felt about them. I got a lot of compliments on them, but I mean, to me, just because people are complimenting on me on my hair and that they look cute on me, I I really like, to me, I'm like, thank you, but I was like, I don't really like them. You know, like, I don't feel confident in them. Like, just because y'all think they look good doesn't kind of, you know, like, yeah, I just didn't feel that comfortable in them. But the more I've worn them and gotten a little bit used to them, the more I like them and I feel more confident in them. So that's also something, like, I know someone wanted me to make a video on how I'm like confident, or how did I get my confidence, something like that. I don't know. If you guys would like a video on that, let me know, because I haven't always been as confident as I am. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this little tutorial and review about Bobbi Boss Bay Locks from Divatress.com. You guys be sure to check out Divatress. They have plenty of crochet hair, from locks to braids to twists. They have wigs. They have just different tons of hair that you guys can choose from, and I feel like these are very natural and trendy. I don't see many people wearing these locks right now, so I definitely love these. I will probably be installing these again after I, you know, take them out later on, because I just love the fact that I can wake up and go. I don't have to do my hair. Also, this is great for protective styling. Trying to grow out my natural hair. You guys know I did cut my hair, so it's short, but it's been growing out. But I feel like I'm at an awkward stage right now, so I don't really wear it out. And then I have heat damage, unfortunately. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, help my channel reach 55,000 by the end of November. And I just want to say to all of my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing and supporting me and my channel. I really appreciate it. I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for you guys, and I just wanted to say thank you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! And I will see you guys in my next video.
What we do here is go back.